G'day, here's 3 pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's crystal material, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. The white that you can see is the reflection of the lights. Just zoom in a bit so we get a better look. Okay. Potch on the left hand end there. So you're looking at something like that. This piece is a bit lighter. Colour disappears on both ends there. Colour looks like it's sort of on the top, on that dome. So you can see there the ends have rolled off. But somebody will enjoy them. I hope you have. Cheers.